talk about is this figure is incredibly top heavy. It has one hell of a backpack. I really don't like the fact that the J7's robot arms are hanging off back here. I can deal with it. They don't get seen all that much, but I will admit they do make a fantastic weapon holster.
Traction hit that point and take his back foot.
The top heaviness is a severe problem because even though the heels are really big, they aren't big enough to keep the figure on balance. It's just a major, major problem. His actual center of balance is back here, right along this line where the leg, where J7's leg is pointing down, forms a cluster. That's where the center of balance is, not up here where it should be above the leg. And that is a big problem. The other problem is because of the weight of the figure, these joints, these parts that snap the leg up and keep it together are much too loose. I mean, they are, I can just put the figure down, I'll turn around, and then he'll drop because the legs just drop on him. It really is annoying. So I just drop on. That is very, very annoying. And this center piece right here doesn't lock into place either. That also annoying. So keep having to pull his legs back. So that's two major issues right there. And I think that's just design issues. There's really nothing I can do about that except
Side push. Probably helps her. That's no.
so you saw transforming these ball joints. These ball joints just the hinges here that form the arms, the head doesn't lock into place. These, I guess we call them, I don't know what kind of joints these are. These joints aren't stiff enough to hold the whole figure together. They're just minor problems, minor design problems that I think could have been addressed when the figure was designed for. Now this is the Japanese version. This is the Japanese set of the figures. I don't own the American version. Nor have I ever seen any of the American version. So I don't know if the American version suffer from these same issues. That being said, I like the figure. I like the set. It is one of my favorite sets from the Carlotta series. Carlotta is a good line, and I really do appreciate this set. But there are issues. I mean, I'm terrified to actually move the thing and try to pose it because, well, it feels like it's going to fall apart. I mean, it does have head articulation. It does have the arm articulation. This way, ball joint hinge. Legs can bend, but I don't know if I want to. It does have weapons. The two weapons from J5 and J7 can combine into one blaster. He can hold them like that. And then, I'm sorry, J4 and J5. J7's shield can be held in the other. That's great. But
Transformation.
even though this figure is a lot of fun, and I like it a lot, it is so figures are fine. As the combined unit, however, the combined unit has issues. And would I recommend the set? I really can't recommend the set unless
Oh no! I'm gonna crush you with my bare hands.
go ahead and get it. But if you want issues, not perfect by any means.
Oh my God! You win.
Really weird. Everything went wrong with the camera, and
and then I throw out the
Because
box.
you
The box
win.
is huge. In fact, here's Starscream next to the box. That's a deluxe class version. All right, now the box. Let's go
Next
ahead and
version is stop motion.
look.
Help me.